Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you a brand new collection we just got in from Prima. Now we have had this pre-ordered for a while, but it has just released last week and started shipping out to all the retailers, so I wanted to show you this. I do have some that had pre-ordered this, and believe me, yours is in the mail, so you should have it very, very soon if you don't already. This is called and I may pronounce this wrong, Dulce, Dulce collection, or Dulce, I'm not sure. But anyway, it's by Frank Garcia, and it is so, so pretty. If you know how to pronounce it, let me know in the comments below. Alright, look at this. I love this. Cotton candy. Now, I have not looked at it all, so I'm looking at it the first time with you guys. It's so pretty. And then look at the back of that one. Isn't that pretty? This is gorgeous. If you are shabby chic, then you know you will love this one. And look at this. Ooh, macaroons. How many of you out there like macaroons? Let me know in the comments below. I love macaroons. And there's only one place in our little town that you can get macaroons that are fresh. But I love them. My granddaughter Presley loves them too. Life is short. Eat some cake. Cute. Alright, let's see the back side of this one. Looks like you get 5 sheets of each design. Ooh, isn't that pretty? I love this. And then there's a gorgeous one. The Circus Girl. Love you, mon chéri. I guess it's mon chéri. Oh, I don't even need to try to pronounce anything in French because I butcher it. And isn't that cute? I like that. Very, very cute. And then this one. Ooh, I like that sheet music. Like I said, I'm looking at this for the first time with you guys, so just pardon me if I ooh and ah over all of it. I can see a mini in my future. And look at that. Those are little tickets. Now, we only got a limited supply of these for now. We have another order in, but they just shipped out certain amounts to different retailers, not necessarily what we ordered. So if you want one, you better go grab it quick because they will be gone in a hurry. And I don't know how long it'll be before I can get more. Probably 2 or 3 weeks. Dreams taste like cotton candy. Roll me in fairy dust and call me a unicorn. I like that. I believe in your heart you're meant to live a life of purpose and miracles. Purpose, miracles, and magic. That is cute. Oh, look at this. Look at that. It's a heart. I think you can see it there. It's a heart, but it looks like they've done it in like splattered watercolor or even poured paint. That is cute. And then I'm trying not to click my screen off there. Look at that. Sweet and fluffy cotton candy. Darling, I will follow you anywhere. Magical, sweet, and dreamy like you. You are some kind of wonderful. You're made of stardust and wishes and magical things. So pretty. I love all these old antique looking fair things that they have on here. That's how the fair used to be that I remember. I know, yeah, I'm an antique too. And then this one, let me turn it around so you can see. Isn't that pretty? Love it. Okay, so that's the 12 by 12, and then of course we do have the A4. This one they made an 8 by 8 in. Let me see if I can lay these out where you can see them. And a 6 by 6. So you have 4 different sizes of paper. Then we got these chipboard stickers. There's 2-sided. Oh, look at that. Popcorn. There's the old clown, the vintage clown. And then there's the other side. An old bingo card. Cute. So that. And then the 4x6 journaling cards, and of course they're just like the paper collection, only just smaller. Let's see if I can open this one up. I'll just flip through it right quick. Oh, I like that card. That's cute. 1872. Vic's Illustrated Catalog. That, I like that. Cupcakes. That's cute. These would make pretty cards. Okay, so there is that. And then, of course, the small one, the 3x4 is the same thing. It's just in smaller scale. And then flowers. We got 4 different flowers, but I have one that should be here today in just a few minutes. So, but here are the majority of them. This one has leaves as well as flowers. This one has flowers with those pearlish rhinestone centers. And then this one is the glitter. I think maybe you can see it. Has glitter on them. And none of them are really tall, so they would be good on any type of album. And then my favorite, of course, look at these. Bling! Look at that. Is that not cute? Oh my goodness. I love those, and I love those. I love those. They are cute. I'm going to have to order bunches of those. Alright, that is the Dulce, I'm going to say, collection from Prima. And we will have the link below this video directly to this collection, so you can go over and grab it. This does qualify for anyone that is an e-club kit member. This does qualify for your discount. So if your discount doesn't work, just shoot me an email and let me know, and I will try to help you get through that. It should work perfectly. I reloaded everything this morning, so hopefully it will. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.